Good evening, traders, and this is going to be another interesting video. So, first of all, listen to me that if you have wasted thousands of dollars just in smart money concepts and the other concepts that you have spent on, and you have lost a big amount on your trading accounts, then you can easily recover with this indicator. And yes, this is not a journal video because I will talk with proofs. Okay, so I will tell you that how my indicator work, and this is just launched today. And if you have not seen the previous video that I have posted on YouTube about the failed liquidity scalper indicator, then check the previous video as well. Okay guys, so this is another one that we have seen, like where you will have a signal, you will always mark that zone, or what you can do, you can mark the high and the low of the signal candle, you can see. Okay, and then what you will see that basically these are not buy and sell signals. You do not treat like this, that you are selling from the red triangle and you are buying from here. So basically this indicator tells you where the liquidity is getting failed and where the trap is set by the market makers and the smart money. Okay, so you can see that you have marked the high, and now what this candle has done, this candle has a break on gold through 3 minute. You can see this candle has given a successful close above the high of the signal candle. Now simply enter into the buy position. What is the stop loss? This is the low of if the low of that signal candle will break, that will become your stop loss. Okay, now do not treat this indicator like the all journal indicators that you are asking, sir. After this red signal we have this buy signal as well. No, basically yes, this is fine, but first of all you need to consider that one, where the market is. The market is at the head of the red one, it's not at the head of the left one. Because if we talk about the left one, that was the sell chance. If you just see here, this is the candle, and you can see this candle was going down, so this was a sell chance. Because we are not going to treat this indicator like other way. If you go to my YouTube channel, then you will realize that I have given a trade as well today. So that was this trade, that when the price breaks above the zone of the signal candle, then we entered into the buy. And this is not a small move. If I zoom out my chart, then you will understand that this was the signal candle and the market breaks the high. It has given a successful close above, we entered into the buy position. Okay, so why? Because that was the liquidity trap set by it. And if we talk about later on, so what happens, just look at this one. This is the low of the candle, so this candle has given a close below that one, so it was a sell. It has again given a low close below, it was another sell. So until unless the market is behaving like this, you will simply treat this indicator. This is not a buy sell indicator, this is actually a trap finding indicator. Let me show you Bitcoin. So who knows that Bitcoin is going to hit 11380, something like this. So my indicator was the one who told you about this big move. So why? Like you can see, this is the head of the this is the high of the signal candle. The price breaks that one, so it means that my indicator has told you that this is the failed liquidity setup. Now you can go for a buy, and you can see again it has told you that this is the breaking of these two signals, so you will enter into the buy again. And now even you can see when the Bitcoin was going to drop, so the market breaks the low of the green triangle, and sorry, not triangle, the low of the candle. And then you can see that was a scalping chance. And even if we talk about the current market picture, then guys, if you still can't make money, then I don't have anything to teach you like this. You can see this is the another trap set by the smart money. So you can see the market was going down, so it was a sell, it was not the buy. Now don't think that I am just cherry picking the charts. I can show you my whole playlist. So this is the Great Britain pound JPY. You can see these are the points that were broken. Look at the green triangles on these signals were broken. You can see the price is down. Okay, so let me pick the other chart. Let's go to a pound USD. Pound USD, you can see the market break the upper side of the red ones. You can see we have the bullish ones. Clear? Okay, so on the red, if the price breaks above, you will buy. Like for example, this is Euro USD. Price breaks above the high of the red signal candle, then you will buy. You can see the price is up. Okay, I can show you one by one. Like just relax and see. Look at USD CHF. The price breaks below the low of the signal candle. Look what happened to the market. The market is down. Let's have a look on Euro AUD. Perfect trade. The market breaks below the low of the signal candle because this was the low somewhere here. Okay, it breaks below, it was sell here, and this indicator does not repaint. Go to my telegram and you will realize, okay, why AUDJPY going up? Because every time it's breaking the high of the previous signal candle, and you can see simply you have to buy. You don't have to sell on these red one. This retail trader will sell, you will not sell that one. Look, that was the sell signal for you. Once the price breaks the low of the green signal, you can see it was a sell. So this is how this indicator works. Look at this AUDCHF, it was breaking above, so the price is bullish. Okay, AUD CAD, it was breaking highs and above the red arrows, so the price was bullish. Okay, so look at Australian dollar USD, it was bullish. Okay, so go to NZD USD, it was bullish. NZD CAD, okay, so this is the consolidation time. But if we talk about, so the normally the highs are not broken, just on that candle the high was broken, so it was bullish. Okay, let me show you the bank nifty. Okay, so tomorrow I will update you more. Look at bank nifty, why it went down, because this was the smart money trap. Okay, go to nifty. Okay, so nifty, okay, we have one losing signal here, and the second signal is not a pair which is losing. Let's have a look on US 30 whole day. What happened? You can see it was going up because it was breaking the high of the signal candle. That is why it went up. Okay, now the US 100, let's have a look. US 100 went up because it was breaking the highs. Okay, so for example, now this is the signal, but the market has not broken the low of that candle, so we will not take any kind of a sell. So this is the perfect indicator, and I don't think so that there could be any other indicator that is going to be more perfect than this. Look at SUI USDT. Okay, 3 minute, the price was breaking above the high of the red signal candle, and you can see it was going up. Look at the XRP. Look, ADA USD. You can see everywhere it's working. It's not a like a cherry picking chart, and it's not about like just using the one setup and few couple of charts. It's working everywhere. Even if you talk about NIUSDT, the market breaks above, so it was the buy and buy. Let's have a look on LTC. Okay, so we don't have a, okay, here it breaks above, you can see it's up. Okay, Ondo, look, the structure break, you can see the price went up. Let's have a look on Shipcoin. It breaks above, you can see price went up. So guys, how many times I can show you that this is the perfect indicator? Yes, this is not for everyone. Yes, only few people will get that indicator, those who can understand the worth of that indicator and those who can afford it. Otherwise, my all indicators are there. I have done a very good job for the trading community. So if you want to get the access, you can contact on Telegram, and you can get the access from email. You need to contact over there. And again, I'm saying this is not for everyone, because this really catches the smart money traps, and there is no indicator built so far based on the liquidity failure, because everyone talks about the liquidity but no one talks about the liquidity failure. So this is the best indicator that we have developed. Thank you very much for watching this video.